Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Digit to build a rainy day fund. Building a rainy day fund is essential for unexpected expenses or emergencies, and Digit makes it simple. So let me show you what to do. First, start by opening the Digit app and creating a new saving goal titled Rainy Day Fund. Set an amount that feels comfortable. Typically 3 to 6 months of living expenses is ideal. Digit automatically analyzes your income and spendings to save small amounts frequently, helping you build this safety net without strain. You can customize how much and how often Digit saves for to fit your lifestyle. You can also monitor your progress through the app's dashboard and rest easy knowing that you have a financial cushion for whatever life throws your way. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on smart savings with Digits, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. See you guys in the next one.